Now for problem B. For problem B, we are asked to find or choose any subsequence non-decreasing. And don't forget that it's binary string, so it looks like zeros and ones. So we are asked to first pick a subsequence. Subsequence is just similar to subarray, but they don't have to be consecutive. Anyway, and should be non-decreasing, but not something. Non-decreasing, isn't it binary? What does this mean? It means that it will always be in this form. Some zeros or some ones or zeros and then ones or empty. Consider this part is just empty. Okay. So we would be choosing something from these shapes, right? And then what? And then look, this statement is just telling you that after you remove this subsequence, the rest, call it X, and this rest should be palindrome. Okay. For example, 0, 1, 0, 1. If I removed 0, or sorry, if I removed, let's say, if I removed 0 and 0, or if I removed 0, no, I think that's in the only way in this one. But wait, let me try something else. Let me try, oh no, sorry, yeah, for the same thing, we can just say, if we removed 1, the rest would be palindrome. You understand me? So they call the rest X and they want it to be palindrome. So that's the problem. So what subsequence is easier for us to deal with? Removing subsequence like that, or subsequence like that, or subsequence like that. For this one, it will make it really hard for us, right? Like zeros and ones and not consecutive and not easy to deal with. So let's see the easy ways first. And if it didn't work, we can go to the hard one. So for these easy ones, zeros and ones, let's try anything. I'll literally just write anything like that. How can we remove some elements and make sure that it's palindrome? By removing only zeros, for example. If I remove this 0, no, not palindrome yet. If I remove this 0, okay, it's palindrome, but consider I have another one here, for example. Not palindrome. But wait, are we limited? No, right? We can literally remove every 0, right? So let's remove all of the zeros. And ta-da, all ones, which means palindrome. So a trivial answer for this question, just remove all of the zeros. You can tell me, okay, but what about the -1 case? I'll tell you, literally, there is no -1 case. It's always valid, okay? So the answer is just remove all of the zeros or remove all of the ones, and both cases are like will work correctly and very easy to implement. Let's see implementation quickly. So I just made an array answer, loop through every character in the string, and if it's 0, I'm just adding it to my array. And yeah, I'm adding it as a string. Look, I was like stressed in the context, but you don't have to make str if you are doing this in Python. Anyway, so I'm just adding I+1 because it's 1 based indexes. And yeah, add all of the indexes of 0, print the length, print it, done. So that's it for problem B. And yes, try to always remember this. Don't try to complicate the problem. For example, if I started by thinking about the 0, 0, 0, and then ones case, it will be very hard for me. So try always to try the easy ways before going to the hard ways. Okay, that's it for problem B. And yeah, see you in problem C.